Greetings, people. So it has been a really long time that I didn't make any video, mainly because of the movement control order, and now is already March, and here in KL is still undergoing the conditional movement control order, or CMCO period, but everything seems like going back to normal, and everyone is going back to work. Like for me, no more working from home, and you can see so many people in the shopping malls. Well, and the traffic has been super heavy. So okay, so just to update you all and share something about my car. I believe like most first-time BMW owners, you panic when you see warning lights coming out, or some weird warning messages popping out. So one of the most common BMW warnings is the ABS error. So you will come out with ABS error message, asking you to drive moderately and send your car back to the service center as soon as possible. Something like this. And of course, you'll be wondering what's going on with my ABS. Is my ABS failing or something like that? Well, if you are active online and you have joined many WhatsApp group or Facebook groups of these BMW owners, of course you will see a lot of people sharing the same error message from time to time. ABS error, flat tire monitoring system not working, and all this is because of the wheel speed sensor. Well, I'm sure that if you were driving a Japanese car before, and then you change to drive a Continental car, I'm sure you won't experience this before, especially when you're driving a Japanese car. I hardly see an ABS failure message, but for BMW, I'm not sure with other Continental brands, but for BMW, this is a very common issue, and it's just a matter of time when it will happen. Because I've seen a lot of these messages before, so I was quite calm and I believe that it's because of the wheel speed sensor, because the car still drive like normal, except that the message will pop up during cold start. Error message will disappear after I start driving the car, and it doesn't even show in my iDrive. It will say no faults, everything is okay. So yeah, quickly I booked my service appointment with Auto Bavaria. Luckily nowadays you can book Auto Bavaria service through mobile apps. So normally I would go to the Auto Bavaria Jalan Tun Razak, KL, but I believe it is one of the busiest Auto Bavaria service center in Klang Valley. So the earliest appointment I could find was a week later, 7 days later, and then I searched around, see which is the next nearest service center, and it happened to be one in Arah Lamansara, which is the furthest for me, and the other one is in the Auto Bavaria in Sungai Besi. So I decided to book my appointment with the Auto Bavaria Sungai Besi, which is 1 day later after I got this problem. And yesterday I sent in my car. Like what I said, when you're driving, the error message will disappear. So luckily I took some photos. Yeah, it's good to take some photos whenever you have some problem with your cars, photos or videos, and it will be easy to show your service advisor rather than waiting for them to reproduce the issue. And apparently Auto Bavaria is still practicing contactless appointment, so you don't get to enjoy your coffee and free nasi lemak there. They only allow you to send your car there, and then you have to leave the service center. So yeah, in less than 15 minutes I think, after I sent in my car and I took a Grab car to go back to my office, my service advisor called me and I explained my situation to him, and also I WhatsApped him the pictures of the error messages. Then yeah, before noon my service advisor called me back and he told me that this is the wheel speed sensor issue and they will replace it for me, and they will even give me a free car wash for free, and that I could collect my car back at 3 after 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So yeah, I went back to collect my car and everything is good. But the thing is, because the car is still under warranty and they only changed the faulty wheel speed sensor, I was quite lucky that they have available stock so that they could change it in half a day. So yeah, so that's the story that I wanted to share with you all. So hopefully after the CMCO, as the case reducing now, and we could start our car drive TT again, driving together to Kotong Jaya or go interstate. And I'll see you guys again and more frequently, hopefully, in the next video. So stay safe and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.